Banana fiber is revolutionizing the sustainable fashion industry. This eco-friendly textile comes from an unexpected source. The humble banana plant holds a luxurious secret. After harvesting bananas, the plant typically goes to waste. But innovative textile makers saw untapped potential. They discovered a way to transform agricultural waste into luxury. Banana fiber fabric is softer than you'd imagine. It rivals silk in its elegance and drape. Yet it's stronger than many conventional textiles. This fabric represents the future of sustainable fashion. Banana plants are technically giant herbs, not trees. They grow rapidly in tropical and subtropical regions. Each plant produces fruit only once in its lifetime. After fruiting, the plant is traditionally cut down. Farmers typically discard or burn these harvested stalks. But these waste stalks contain valuable fiber. The pseudostem is where the magic happens. This thick trunk is composed of tightly wrapped sheaths. Each sheath contains layers of strong fibers. These fibers have been used for centuries in Asia. The process begins immediately after banana harvest. Workers carefully cut down the pseudostem. Timing is crucial for optimal fiber quality. The outer sheaths are peeled away layer by layer. Each layer reveals progressively finer fibers. The outermost layers produce coarser material. Inner layers yield the softest, most luxurious fibers. Traditional harvesting is done entirely by hand. This labor-intensive process ensures quality control. Skilled workers can identify the best fiber sections. There are two primary extraction methods. Here. The traditional method involves manual stripping. Workers use specialized tools to separate fibers. They carefully scrape away the pulpy material. This reveals the long, silky fiber strands beneath. Modern facilities use mechanical decordicators. These machines speed up the extraction process. They crush the sheaths to release the fibers. However, hand extraction still produces superior quality. Many luxury producers prefer traditional techniques. Extracted fibers contain natural gums and impurities. These must be removed through careful washing. Workers soak the fibers in clean water. This softens and removes sticky residues. Some producers use natural enzymes for cleaning. Others employ eco-friendly biodegradable soaps. The fibers are then laid out to dry. Sun drying is the traditional method. It preserves the fiber's natural properties. Proper drying prevents mold and degradation. Not all banana fibers are created equal. Many provide you pressure researches. Grading determines the fiber's ultimate use. The finest grades come from innermost sheaths. These are reserved for luxury fashion applications. Medium grades work well for home textiles. Coarser grades suit industrial applications. Color also affects grading and value. Natural banana fiber ranges from cream to brown. The palest fibers command premium prices. Graders examine length, strength, and fineness. Fine-graded fibers move to the spinning stage. This transforms loose fibers into usable yarn. Traditional spinning uses wooden wheels. Artisans carefully feed fibers onto the spindle. They maintain consistent tension and thickness. Modern mills use industrial spinning machines. These create more uniform yarn at scale. Banana fiber can be spun alone. Or it's blended with silk, cotton, or wool. Blending creates unique textures and properties. Answered. Banana fiber accepts natural dyes beautifully. Its cellulose structure bonds well with plant pigments. Traditional dyes come from roots, leaves, and flowers. Indigo creates stunning blue tones. Turmeric produces vibrant yellows. Madder root yields rich reds and oranges. The dyeing process is an art form. Artisans carefully control temperature and timing. Multiple dye baths create depth of color. Eco-conscious brands prefer these natural methods. Woven banana fiber fabric has incredible versatility. Traditional handlooms create unique textures. Weavers interlace warp and weft threads. The resulting fabric has natural slubs and character. These imperfections are considered desirable. They prove the fabric's handcrafted authenticity. Power looms enable larger-scale production. They create more consistent weaving patterns. Different weaving techniques produce varied effects. Satin weaves emphasize the fiber's natural luster. Banana fiber fabric is surprisingly lightweight. It drapes beautifully like silk or rayon. The fabric has natural breathability. Air circulates freely through the fibers. This makes it perfect for warm climates. Banana fabric naturally resists wrinkles. It maintains its shape remarkably well. The material has moisture-wicking properties. It pulls perspiration away from the skin. Distinction. These qualities make it ideal for clothing. Do not let its softness fool you. Banana fiber is incredibly strong. It is stronger than cotton or wool. The fibers have high tensile strength. This means they resist tearing and breaking. Clothing made from banana fiber can last for years. The fabric handles regular washing well. It does not pill or deteriorate quickly. Its durability supports sustainable living. Fewer replacements help lower environmental impact. Banana fiber production is remarkably sustainable. It requires no extra land or water. The plants are already grown for food production. Using stalks prevents unnecessary waste. Reuse helps reduce harmful emissions. Converting waste into fiber supports the climate. The process uses minimal synthetic inputs. Eco-friendly methods help avoid pollution. Banana plants typically grow with limited pesticides. The plants regenerate quickly for future harvests. Designers around the world are exploring banana fiber. It now appears in premium fashion collections. Luxury creators use it for refined clothing. Its gentle luster suggests quiet elegance. It inspires graceful dresses and gowns. Blends enhance texture and performance. Accessories also feature this material. Sustainable accessories are gaining popularity. The fabric communicates environmental awareness. Many buyers value sustainability alongside beauty. Banana fiber creates meaningful rural employment. Crop waste becomes an extra revenue source. This transforms disposal challenges into opportunity. Many women benefit strongly from this work. Some production groups are women-led. The income supports financial independence. Cultural knowledge is preserved through craft. Skills and technology continue to advance. International markets bring new income streams. Entire communities can grow through this work. Scaling production remains a challenge. Banana fiber cannot yet replace major textiles. Production is still labor-intensive. Consistency can sometimes be difficult. So, public awareness is still developing. Many people are discovering it for the first time. Interest continues to rise worldwide. Technology is steadily advancing. There are more brands from Provence, more beginning to explain it. The future appears promising for this material. Banana fiber shows that luxury and sustainability can exist together.